guys, it's Yianni from Yiannimize, and I always get asked, what happened to my Lamborghini SV Roadster? Well, there it is behind me. The car's got no PPF, which is paint protection film, so I thought let me pull it back from where it was being stored, let me fully protect the car, then I'll put it back into storage until I decide what I'm going to do. Should I drive it around, or should I just keep the mileage low as it's going up in value? For now, let's get it in the back and let's PPF her. Jason's already wrapped my Porsche, then he wrapped a GT3 RS for a customer, then he wrapped another Porsche for another customer, then he wrapped a GTC4 Lusso T, Lambo, and now it's my Lambo. No pressure.
We're in the plotter room, getting that PPF, plotting out the carbon pieces for Yan's SV.
Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, just the 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that lemon squeeze. Went off for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese.
Other side, Kieran, that's his first panel ever installed by himself. Taught him techniques, ways how to install, even plotting, even cutting. So yeah, it's good to go.
I got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on.
We're about to install the bonnet. I'm waiting for Kieran. My gorgeous and good looking trainee Kieran. Look, 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 look. He's so focused. Kieran, baby. Let's go, baby.
Working late, stay up, counting all the way up, counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up, pray up, on track, now we going way up, now we going way up, now we going, on track, now we going way up, now we going way up, now we going.
I gave him a mission and a task today. I will let him trim. If he passes this, let's see how it goes. He will pop the balloon.
My heart is beating, mate.
So from there,
Yeah.
all the way here, yeah?
I'm telling you it didn't cut. I know it didn't cut. Booyah! Man don't need all of this cut. I'm just the king at everything I do, bro. I told you I'm too good.
Guys, what's going on? My name's Deano, I'm from Distinctive Detailing. I'm here today at Yiannimize HQ. Today's task at hand, we're going to be obviously working on Yanni's car. It's just been PPF'd, so what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be taking it through safe wash. So that's all in the correct stages. So 3 bucket method wash, rinse, wash, and then obviously 1 bucket for the wheels. We're going to be firstly working on the wheels, and then we're going to be moving on to the bodywork. So it's going to be going for a snow foam wash, just to remove any loose dirt, any loose contaminants. Wash it, rinse off, dry. Working on around the engine bays, the door seals, the cards, doing some work in the interior as well, and that should be it. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. Obviously, we'll show you the results afterwards. Let's crack on.
I've been scoring, cheap thrills, burn me, blah blah, you burn me, caution, warning. I've been scoring, I've been scoring, I've been scoring, caution, warning. I've been scoring, cheap thrills, burn me, blah blah, you burn me, caution, warning.
All complete now on the Lamborghini Aventador Roadster for Yianni. I'm really happy with the outcome. I think I've been about 4 or 5 hours that's been spent on the car in total. Obviously, being a Lamborghini, there's loads of nooks and crannies, so interior and exterior, even with the long dash, spoiler, alloys, the multi-spokes, they acquire so much more detail than a normal car, hence the time. I'm really happy with the outcome, Jan's happy with the outcome, so all good. I'm out, I'm done. So it's Deano, Distinctive Detailing. Guys, I hope you have a good day. Take care.
Ones who I peel part ways, I don't need no parts of friends. I guess that's how the game goes. Lifestyle getting real. Lifestyle is a handful. I'm a one, only one dog. That's a fact, that's a case closed. Do road and I lay low. Wake up and do it every day.
So that's another wrap PPF video complete. Jason has done an amazing job. It's not easy PPF in a car, let alone an SV Roadster. I'm really pleased. Thanks to Distinctive for coming down and doing a full detail on my car. That car now is back up in Milton Keynes, safe and sound. Yes, I'm not driving the car. Yes, I'm keeping the mileage down. Yes, I know people are going to say it's like having a girl and not sleeping with her and saving her for someone else. I don't care. I want to keep the car for myself. I want to keep the mileage low and then decide what I'm going to do next year. So I'm about to fly to Abu Dhabi for the F1 Grand Prix. So if you're going, I look forward to seeing you out there. Don't forget, guys, Christmas is coming. We've got all brand new Yiannimize merch. All the details are down below. And I'll see you soon. Take care. See you later.